Welcome in, everybody. I know everybody's losing their mind right about now. Bitcoin's down $4,000 as we speak. It's about 4:11 p.m. Central Standard Time on April 6th. Looking at the screen here is Fiat Leak. You can see all the volumes. I mean, it is flying off the hooks here. Doge, Chainlink, Filecoin, Bitcoin, Algorand, XRP, Shiba Inu. I mean, it's all flowing. Uh, I want to show y'all something important here. But this is just, it's been a while since I saw this much activity. Because it's going to be critically important that you don't get shook out and let fear take over and do irrational decision making based on this fear. Is exactly what's happening. And I'll show you a prime example in just a minute of why you should never, ever, ever use leverage, because they will hunt you down and you will be liquidated and you'll lose your position and then it'll go right back up. And we'll show you why. So that's Fiat Leak. Oh, that's nasty. You can always go check that out yourselves. So we're going to change this over here. So on the screen is Bitcoin. This is the daily chart. This is our super system that we have available for free on TradingView. Patreon link in the description if you want more one-on-one attention. If you want to use this, we can help you set it up. We can also interpret any crypto or equity that you want. Of course, none of it's financial advice, just educational and how we generate alpha returns through our own portfolios using our system. It took 2 to 3 years to build. Pretty remarkable. But again, Bitcoin down 4,163. Pretty fluctuating pretty violently here. 79,309. But I want to show you something. Let me pull up something that we continuously monitor. And that is the liquidation heat maps. We will pull this up. So this is your 3-day view on the Bitcoin liquidation heat map, available on Coin Inc. Again, no endorsement here. It's just a resource that we use. But you can see the different levels here where there's leverage. Obviously, the brighter green levels are more highly leveraged than the lighter colors. But knowing that Bitcoin is currently trading at 79.2, that's going to put it down here. I guess pretty much where it is here. So they're wiping everybody out. We could see this thing go on down to 75,650. So watch that level, somewhere in that range, maybe 76,000, somewhere in there. And that would pretty much wipe out everything in this 3-day view. We can also let's go to the 1 month just to take a look here. But these are key levels you need to pay attention to really kind of understand how markets can be manipulated. And look at this. Good gracious, man. Stay away from leverage, folks. Here's the 1 month view. All the dark green, they just wiped it out. Going down to roughly 60, 78,000 here. Again, it could go down to this. These are very light levels here, but anywhere from 73.7 to 78. So yeah, a lot of people losing out here. It's a shame right before a big boom, but that's how the game is played. So be careful with leverage. Know what you hold. And let's just look at the Bitcoin chart while we're at it, since we have it up. And you can see on ours, this yellow down label is a confirmed downtrend. So we have potential trend changes and confirmed trend changes. This is a confirmed short-term downtrend. It's also transitioning from green to red cloud. Looking at our mean reversion upper indicator, you can see the red line, which is our fast line, which is the most volatile, blue being the slowest, orange being mid. It's actually actually just penetrated below the extreme levels. Now, if we can get the orange and the blue both down here, typically you would see a reversal, probably aggressive. And then on the hot sensors down here, and don't worry about the terminology, we're going to be creating some trainer videos, but on the hot sensor, you got your short frame, your mid frame, and your long frame. And it goes white, gray, blue, yellow, orange, red in both directions. Red being the most opportunistic times to scale out on the upside or scale in on the downside. So right now you can see we're only in the white on the long term, gray on the mid. So there's still some room here. Again, I think if we see those liquidations happen down to that 73-ish zone, it should be interesting at that point. But yep, be careful. Bitcoin, daily chart, TCP Supersystem available for free on TradingView. You've got the TCP Supersystem main, the mean reversion with zones, the hot sensor with multi-input. If you have questions, please check out our Patreon. You can sign up and we'll do one-on-one guidance and setup and discussion if you want it. Until next time, best trading, nothing's financial advice. See you in the next one.